MD04, which is a stock requirement list. And here, if I enter some details and press enter key, in this MD04, we also get the option to add few transactions which we are frequently using in the environment. If own favorite transactions, so if I click on say maintain, maximum 5 favorite transactions I can maintain here. Click on new entries and you can maintain the T codes which you are frequently using. Nico, if I enter and see some text for this T code I can maintain, and even the navigation number is required, which you can enter as say 1 here and then save it. Let's continue. Let's go back and again let me go back, say continue. So now you can see this Migo is coming. Favorite transaction which I have added, so 5 such transactions I can maintain here. Another option which I get is the navigation profile, which we are maintaining in the configuration. Is the list already maintained in the configuration. So if I select any one out of it, say this is a standard SAP one only, and continue. So I can, along with this Migo which we have just now added, I can see few additional T codes shortcuts are added, and if you click on those, then it will take you to the relevant transactions. So here you can see it is for the display mode of the bill of material or even the routing. So icon is coming, and if you click on that, it will take you directly to the transaction. And here this is the T code which is running for the bill of material display mode. And if I select this, which is a display of routing, in this environment navigation profile, I get the option to create a navigation profile in the configuration. Let's go to the configuration of it. Define navigation profile in the, you check the path, it is coming under the material requirement planning and in the evaluation. So define navigation profile, click on this. This one which we have assigned was this one. Under this we can check examples which we are given, like how you add the T codes and the text which you want to maintain, that can be added here in the info for the text. Okay, so you can create your own profile in the similar way. Here you can assign the icon, and if I click on this, you will get the list of icons which are available, and the most relevant icon can be assigned here. You can view the preview also here in the preview button. We'll be maintaining the sequence. Okay, so these are the T codes which are maintained here. Let me go back, and if I see the detail for this PP, someone has already created. Select this and go to this transaction code. Here, these are the T codes which are maintained, and here this is a transaction for the EWM relevant, which is RFUI. Okay, so whatever transaction you want to assign, you can assign it here in this as your favorite transaction. In the configuration, if you want to create your own, you can click on new entries, and here if I just say PTQM and whatever description you want to maintain, you can specify here. Press enter key and select this line item and go to general transaction. So select this, and here you will be maintaining the T codes which you want to assign to that profile. So if I enter say Migoli, and I can enter some text here for this, keep it same only, and if you want you can link the icon also which is relevant to it. Add some say card I can add, let's for just test purpose. Okay, and then save it, continue, and let me add one more T code here in this profile. Okay, so let me go back, and here again I can click on new entries, and sequence number you can maintain, and the T code which you want to add. So let me enter QA32 this time. Let me enter inspection lot, and the sequence number you can maintain as 2 here in this. Press enter key and then save it. Okay, now we will see if we assign this profile. I have already added 2 T codes. One is Migo, another is a QA32, and in one I have added the icon also. Okay, Let me go back and we will reassign these things here. Okay, so at present you can see these are the options which are coming. Okay, so again let me go to environment. We can select navigation profile and click on assign, and here I can select, say, let's take this one which we have just now created, ppqm. Okay, continue. So now you can see this card is coming which we have linked to the transaction Migo. Okay, so icon was attached, and if I click on this, it will take me to the Migo transaction only, and the other one which we have linked was inspection log. So it is taking me to the transaction QA32 only. So I can link the transactions which are known to frequently use here. And let's take some other. Okay, so if I go to, say, the one which we have just now seen, PP cycle, continue. So here these are the transactions which are linked. Okay, and if I click on MRP run, it is taking me to the MRP live MD01N transaction only. Okay, let me go back, and if I click on this post goods movement, it is the transaction I showed you relevant to the EWM transaction for RF. Let me come out of this. I need to use the function key for this F7. Okay, so this is how you can attach the favorite transaction in the navigation profile, and that navigation profile you can link here in the MD04.